Halloween event. Roar! You will freeze in horror. Funny joke. Kylie? You okay? I think you made an alien noise. But you're not an alien. You're a Dracula. I knew you'd freeze in horror, for I am the scary Dracula. Hi, friend. Why are people scared of me? I'm not. Halloween's my day. I see you dressed up as an alien. How cute. Oh, thanks, Morgan. I'm not dressed up as an alien, though. Huh? I'm actually an alien. Who's someone who's not afraid of me? Hi, kid. I'm Fortuna. Your match. My match? Yes, I love Halloween fortunes. You'd make one. Hello, kid. I'm not a kid. I'm 200 alien years old. Oh, pity. It's not that old in Alien. It's only 2 cat years in Alien. Really? I need to study that. There's a lot to learn, kid. How rude. We called him/her kid, so that's not fair.